Are you still there? Three, go. I'm sorry. My bags are safe. Well, let me begin. We have this gigantic safe. 2 compartments, fully locked and has a pre-installed alarm. Alright. Okay. Show you how I open the giant safe. Yes. Let's see how we do this. I do. Take out my master key. Master key. There it is. Bringing it down. And key into the back of the car and turn it to the... Yes. It opens the trunk. Yes. Then I will show you this. Inside the safe is the key that contains for the car. This is the key. Yes. Now, what we're going to do is since the key's in there, it's locked. Yes. I have no keys in my pocket. All I have is... Okay, show us, show us. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to carry this gigantic, heavy, century fireproof safe over to this car. Now, the first show you that it's locked, that it's locked, keep safe away. But we're like that. It's locked. It's locked. Yes, it's locked. It's locked. I see it's locked. To the door, and it opens. Oh, we held it close by and it opened. Are you going to put him in? And the fact is, this is full of all kinds of stuff. Yes. Okay. He's going to drive. Okay. Very good. And now I will lock it again. And press the key to not send signals through cell phone screens. This has a bunch of cell phones in it. Okay, very good. Watch your head. And it's also in the safe. It's our own secure safe. Very good. Excellent. Now I will attempt to put the key back in its place. Thank you, thank you. Bravo, bravo. Yay. Everybody take a bow. Yay. 1, 2, 3, bow, bow.